Hi all, Goda Govinda. This is Madhavalasya from Channel ML. So today, first of all, happy Deepavali to everyone who are celebrating it today or tomorrow, because today is Deepavali, Naraka Chaturdasi. That's what South Indians would follow it. So tomorrow is a Deepavali, which is like North Indians will celebrate it tomorrow as a Deepavali for return or arrival of the Rama Sita Parivara and back to Ayodhya. So today, nevertheless, whenever you guys celebrate, first of all, happy Deepavali to everyone. Stay safe and please listen to one of my Deepavali videos where why we should not be burning crackers, and let's take a oath to save the environment for the better future. With that being said, today I'm going to discuss about one of the hot topics about Sri Ramanujacharya. So everybody knows about Ramanujacharya. He traveled 18 times from Srirangam to Tirukostiyur to get the Dvaya Mantram. The Dvaya Mantram, everybody knows about it. That is a mantra which is told during Samashrayanam process. He traveled 18 times, from Srirangam to Tirukostiyur. It would take 1 day, 22 hours if I go by walk. So 18 times, he has traveled it. And there is one misconception about that, even in koil.org, everywhere it is mentioned that why Ramanujacharya did not get it the first time. Why Tirukostiyur Nambi did not, reveal that or share that mantra the first time. And there were some rumors spread stating that Ramanujacharya did not say Adiyen or I'm your servant kind of statement initially, and he was saying I'm Ramanuja, I'm coming from Srirangam. First of all, that is an utter falsification. Let's think from Ramanujacharya perspective. Ramanujacharya took Kalakshepam under his guru, his Acharya, for more than 5 years, right? So his guru, his Acharya, always uses the term like Adiyen. Adiyen means your servant, subservient, your servant and everything. Servant means it's not the servant as we say over here. It is more than that. It's just a love. So how come Ramanujacharya would not have or have forgotten to say the word Adiyen? So that is my first point. Another thing is even my Acharya has confirmed the same. I'm not saying out of my thing. And another thing is then you could ask me what is the reason why Ramanujacharya was made to travel 18 times to get the Dvaya Mantra? Because Tirukostiyur Nambi wants to test his patience and his eagerness and curiosity to learn the Dvaya Mantram, because Dvaya Mantram is very very secretive in those days, and Ramanujacharya want really to save everybody from this materialistic sufferings. So he traveled 18 times. So think about it, guys. Those time no bus, no train, he just walked by his legs, right? 18 times. And since he was a sannyasi, we don't know what food he would have got and everything, right? And another thing is that is why Tirukostiyur Nambi made him to come to him 18 times, made him to travel from Srirangam to Tirukostiyur 18 times. It is not because of Ramanujacharya was very rude, or he was having he was very proud of himself and he did not say Adiyen. No, that is wrong. So please don't believe in that. And another falsification which mentioned is Ramanujacharya once got the Dvaya Mantram. He went to the top of the Srirangam temple and then said this Dvaya Mantram to everyone. Actually, there is one correction in that information. But he did not go to the top of the Srirangam. Actually, he informed everyone that he wants to save everybody from this materialistic sufferings. Whoever wants to put an end to materialistic suffering, please come to me. I will share you the secret. That's what he said. He did not, as mentioned in this movies and everything, he did not go to the top of the Srirangam temple and then he did not say that come, I'm sharing the Dvaya Mantram, please chant this, you'll be liberated from this. No, he actually followed the process. Actually, when Tirukostiyur Nambi questioned him, why did you say this? He said, I follow the process. I made him my disciples, and then only I shared the information. So as soon as I shared the information, they became my disciples. So I did not share it as per their thing. So don't believe in that information as well. So these two things I would really love to everybody to understand. One is Ramanujacharya did not was not rude or was not proud about himself, and he did say Adiyen. The reason why he was made to travel from Srirangam to Sri Tirukostiyur 18 times is to test his curiosity and his eagerness to learn the Dvaya Mantram. by Tirukostiur Nambi. And then the second thing is he did not go to the top of the Srirangam temple to say to everyone or share the Dvaya Mantram to everybody. No, he actually shared it with everybody, that he knows a secret how to get out of this one. And then he knows a secret of to get out of this materialistic sufferings. So if you want to know it, then please come at this particular time. And that's what he conveyed it. So and then whoever came, he shared the Dvaya Mantram and he tried to spread it in a very secretive way only. So I mean, I wouldn't say secretive way, he spread it to everyone. So that's all I have for today. So happy Diwali, stay safe. Please do not burn crackers, but rather you could celebrate Diwali in multiple ways, so which I've shared in my other videos as well. So please take care, stay safe, stay warm. It's getting colder and chiller every day. So until then, bye. Goda Govinda.